Okay, guys, here we are back at the crossing. We're gonna be recording the Jamaica westbound train. It's 4:52 and 4:53 he's supposed to be passing. Actually, 4:54 he's supposed to be passing. So yeah, guys, we're gonna record the westbound train going by to Jamaica, and it's not going to Huntington. It's stopping at Huntington. It's going to Jamaica, guys. So, this train gets to the Kings Park station around 4:55. So, that's the time it gets to the station. So I got out the car early, so I couldn't. There's actually no time to predict when it passes. So, it's going to be coming from this direction this time. So, and this is the last train I'm seeing. It was fun going rail standing up this crossing, but I will do, next time I'm gonna do the old road crossing, which is a better one. But guys, anyways, there's a westbound train to Jamaica. This one's gonna be going to Jamaica, and there goes that car. There's that one. This direction. Career train. Yeah. So it's coming now. He should be coming now. Like the lights, so he should be coming now. And the gates will go down. Yep, they're going down. Okay, guys, the gates are going down now for the westbound to Jamaica. And the cars have stopped. So we're gonna record this way. Okay, guys, here's the view. Let's see it come by. This house is right near the track. Here it comes. Yep, here it comes. It's westbound. Here it comes. Oh, which one is it? 5009.